Hello friends, I'm happy to get you back to AK7DOLL. Doll, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm also good. Now, do you know what we are going to do?
No.
A tongue twister.
Oh yes, a tongue twister.
What is a tongue twister?
A tongue twister is basically like, it doesn't have to make sense, but it twists your tongue. It's in the name.
Okay.
And it also improves your pronunciation and fluency.
Words in the expression may be rhymes. Okay,
Okay.
fine. The tongue twister is parrots eat carrots. Parrots eat carrots. Okay.
Okay. I'll try to say that 10 times.
Try.
Parrots eat carrots. 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 Parrots eat carrots.
No, last time you fumbled. In a balanced way you say. Once again.
Parrots eat carrots. 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 Parrots eat carrots.
Good. You said it 10 times.
Thank you.
Okay. You ask your friends now to follow you.
Yeah, tongue twisters improve your pronunciation and fluency. And if you want to make a tongue twister of your own, well, you can. You can share it with your friends, and your friends can maybe improve English. So yeah,
Okay.
the tongue twister doesn't have to make sense though. It can be anything.
You shouldn't look for any logic there.
Yeah, you just have to look for your pronunciation and how you pronounce a tongue twister.
It's simply fun and talent.
Yes.
Right. Shall we have a break here?
Yeah, let's have a break here. I hope you enjoyed this tongue twister. Subscribe to Konjaneram English and AK7DOLL TV. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.